Magic Jack, who needs an instant band and an instant choir. He needs the choir. He needs the Beehive choir. So the magic of Menchaca. Let's get this cracking. And also, I've been gifted a CD to make a contest that I haven't quite figured out until this moment, and I'm going to figure out in this moment. That someone can walk away with Magic Jack's CD. So I guess the first person to get up there, be a part of the choir, is going to get this CD. So nobody, you know. Yeah. Do this.
We only have one singer. One singer.
Anyone else?
Ryan just quit the job to pursue a music full-time. Very nice. Yeah.
Okay, this is a song that's on the CD, as a matter of fact. It's called On My Way. It's on the CD that you just won. Yeah, that's the name of it. On My Way. Yeah. And it's about being there for someone else when they need you. Or maybe someone was there for you when you needed someone. When a rain cloud brings out of me, you know there's some shelter here. You know what to do. When time gets up and you miss me, oh, you might say, I'm on my way. Everybody. Yeah, that's all you got to say. Again for the instant band, the instant Beehiver choir, and our amazing drummer back there, Gray, and of course, Luigi. Thank you, Jack. Sir, Reeves, hey. We appreciate you, dude.
Well, I appreciate you guys too. I mean, there's a reason I keep coming back and doing this. So, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Magic Jack and the Instant Beehive Choir.